Hi there, Jean Greer here at Stylish Fireplaces. Today I want to introduce you to another little part of our showroom here in Vaughan, Ontario. And a quick reminder that we actually have a showroom full of electric fireplaces here in Vaughan, Ontario. This is where we work. This is where our fireplace experts are working every day. We've got 50 plus electric fireplaces here. This is not a call center. Our experts are hands-on with these fireplaces. We can come into the showroom anytime and check a sight or a sound and be your eyes and ears. So for all of our clients across Canada who don't have access to this showroom day to day, we're here to have that access for you. And for those that are lucky enough to come into our Vaughan showroom, you will see these firsthand. But this is where our experts work. This is not a call center. We actually have installed thousands of electric fireplaces, and we're giving you the benefit of that expertise on live chat, on video, on our phone calls, and on emails. So when you inquire and ask questions about our fireplaces, this is where we get our answers. So I'm going to step out of the way and introduce you to these Amantii fireplaces just in this little section. So here on the left, you see the Amantii Sim 60 Extra Tall at the top, and on the bottom is the Panorama BI 88 Deep. In the center, we have the big, bold TRD 48, and over on the right, we have the Symmetry 50, so Sim 50. So just 4 examples from this showroom, just one little area that we work with every day so that we can give you the best advice possible on your electric fireplace choices. You can see more about us and our showroom at stylishfireplaces.ca.